actually see it's recording.
Okay. All right. This is not too far from where we live. Looking like the Mississippi River. Uh, it's just right up the street. Not even what, maybe 5 miles. Not even that far. And this is what it looked like. This is like, I don't know how many inches above this bridge. On top of the bridge is 16?
1675. So it's about
Yeah, this is amazing. This is amazing. Yeah, it's about to start raining again, but every time it slack up on the rain, people coming out here and taking pictures. But this is not too far from us, so could you imagine what it is on the other side of town? So this is what it is right here. On the other side is even worse. So this is what it looked like.